Hi guys, this is Venkat Sai from Nayari College. I have a concept video presentation from the college internet. So I have put some for this topic for the concept video. Topic name is for loop using range of functions. This is our topic. We go through the introduction to the Python for loop statement with the range of function. In programming, you often want to execute a block of code multiple times. To do so, you use a for loop. The following illustrates the syntax of a for loop. For here is example for that. For index in range of 10. Here in place of index, we can use anything like any variable like I, j, else. From this slide, we will learn introduction into program. We often want to execute a block of code multiple times to do so. For loop, following illustrates the syntax for a loop. In the syntax, we initially the index is called a loop counter and n is the number of times that loop will execute the statement. A range of is a built-in function in Python. It's like a print function in the sense that it always uh, function since that it was always available in the program. The range of n generates a sequence of an integer starting at 0. It increases the value by 1 until it reaches n. So the range of n generates a sequence of numbers 0, 1, comma, 2, comma, so on, n minus 1. Note that it always show up the final number n. From this index, the index is called a loop counter and the n is the number of times that loop will execute the statement. The range of is a built-in function in Python. It's like the Python function in the sense that it always available in the program. The range of n generates a sequence of n integers starting with 0. It increases the value by 1 until it reaches n. So the range of n generates a sequence of numbers 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma n minus 1. Note that it's always short of the final number of n. And we go through the next slide. There will be a flowchart presentation in the next slide. You can see easily understand by seeing the flowchart. Yeah. The presentation. Okay. Here is the flowchart presentation. The following diagram illustrates the for loop statement. In the start, for each element in the iterables, each initial dimension has the next element. If it comes to loop body will execute, it falls, it will be come out of the loop. Here we can see that as the element next, it comes true, loop will be executed. Means its loop will be executed, loop body will be executed, or it falls, it will be end of the story. And we can go to the next slide. The following example shows how to use the for loop with range of function to display 5 numbers from 0 to 4 to the screen. For index in range of 5, print the index. The output will be 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be printed in line by line. You can observe in the example. It will be printed in line by line. Okay. There will be another example. In this example, the for loop executes the statement print index exactly five times. If you want to show 5 numbers from 1 to 5 to the screen, you can do something like this. For index in range of 5, print index print index plus 1. Index plus 1. Output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or else we can do that, or else we can do range of 5 comma or range of 6. It will be printed 1, 2, 3, 1 comma 6. It will be printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can go to the next slide. Specifying the starting value for the sequence. By default, the range of function uses 0 as the starting number for the sequence. In addition, the range of function always allows you to specify the starting number like this range start stop, start, stop, step. There will be step in coming one. We'll be using to step. I mean, how much will be in one. Specifying the starting value for the sequence and specifying the stopping value also sequence by using step also. By default, the range function uses 0 as the string number for the sequence. In addition, the range of function always allows you to specify the starting number like this. And we go to the next slide. We got it forward. Okay, next slide is in the SIGDAS, the range of function increases the start value by one until it reaches the stop value. The following example uses for a loop to show 5 numbers from 1 to 5 to the screen for index in range of 1, 6. I also explained about this example. It will be used to print 1 to 5. And below that example, there will be index plus 1. But in this example, there will be a starting function and a stop function. So it will be printed like this. And we go to the next slide, specifying the increment for this sequence. We must want to specify the increment for this sequence also. To increase the start value by a different number, use the following form of range of function. Okay, range, start, stop. I have already mentioned in this slide. Range, stop, stop, and then it also spreading in the another slide. In this form, you can specify the value that range of function should increase. The following example shows all the odd numbers from 0 to 10. It means that the last one, 2, will be called as the step function for the range of function. We already learned that start and stop will be executed in this program, but here 2 will be the step function. How much, I mean, I mean to say that how much variation, like common difference, how much difference we should want to put between the numbers, it will be called as a step. The following example shows for indexing range of 0, 1, 0, 11, 2 means the numbers between 0 to 10, means 0 to 11. Okay, the numbers between 0 to 11. Printing difference, printing by difference of 2, like step up function. And we go through the next one. Using Python for loop to calculate the sum of a sequence. Using Python, we can do easy function, sum of a function. The following example uses the for loop statement to calculate the sum of numbers from 1 to 100. 1 to 100. Sum equals to 0. Initially, the sum will be 0. For number, I have to say index. We can use anything like number, I, J, index. It will be your wish. For number in range of 101 means 0 to 100 means last number will be declined, I mean excluded, so it will be considered to be 0 to 100. So sum plus equals to number means sum will initially sum will be 0. If the loop will start counting, the first number should be 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, like that. In that way, the program will be executed, like by looping concept. Okay, by this one, we go to the next one. How it works. First, we have another one. We know that there will be a formula for sum of n natural numbers, that will be n into n plus 1 by 2. By doing the formula also, we can find the sum of n natural numbers or sum of numbers. First, the sum is initially should be 0. Second, the sum is added with the number from 1 to 100, like 0 to 100 or 1 to 100, it will be okay. Finally, show the sum to the screen. N equals to 100. Sum equals to n star n plus 1 by 2. Then sum of. By doing this one also, there will be their program will be executed. The summary about this concept is use the for loop statement to run a code block a fixed number of times. Use the range range. This will be the main formula for this statement. Range, start, stop, and step. It will be the first entering number start, and the second one is stopping one. This is the incrementing or else we call a step of function. To customize this, there will be some important slides to show. Specifying the starting value for this sequence. This will be a very the very important slide to learn about this. By default, the range of function uses 0 as the starting number for the sequence. Therefore, the range of function allows you to specify the starting number like this. This will be a very important one. We must have to know about this. Okay, we go through another important slide. This example, it will be very important one. The following example uses the for loop statement to calculate the sum of numbers from 1 to 100. By doing this, we can easily calculate the sum of numbers without any stress. Without using any calculator, we can do it. That's all in summary. Also important one. It's really very important one. That's it about this topic. And thank you.